Can you solve in few minutes 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 2x is 0? Our goal here is to find the value of x, to find x. So for us to solve this, first we'll have our solution. The question says 2 power x plus 1 minus 3 power 2x is equals to 0. The first thing we have to do here is to add 3 to the power of 2x to both sides. So we are having it as 2 to the power of x plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 2x. Then we are adding 3 to the power of 2x to both sides. Is equals to 0 plus 3 to the power of 2x. That will make it here to be 0. So we'll be left with 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 2x. Okay? Then for the left-hand side, we have 2 to the power of x plus 1. Remember the laws of indices, which says that a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. That means whenever you're multiplying in the same base, you add their powers. So we are going to apply it here. So we have it as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Yeah. Then the next thing we do is to collect like terms, or we first of all rewrite this term in the sense that we can write it as, you know that in maths, when you have a to the power of mn, you can still write it to be a to the power of nm. Order is not a problem. So we have it as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 2, then raised to power x. And 3 power 2 is 9. So we have it to be 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 1, that's here, is now equal to 3 squared is 9, 9 power x. So we have to divide through by what? 2 to the power of x. If I divide through by 2 to the power of x and divide through by 2 to the power of x, the 2 to the power of x will be out. Will be out. I'll be left with 2 power 1, and that's equals to 9 power x over 2 power x. We have that a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. We can write it as, from the a to the power of n divided by b to the power of m, we can write it as a over b to the power of n, since the powers are common. So if you apply it here, we have it at 9 over 2 to the power of x is equal to 2. So the next thing we have to do here is just to take the logarithm of both sides. So if you take the logarithm, I have log 9 over 2 x is equals to log 2. Okay? Then the logarithm allows us to multiply the power to the log. So we have it that x log 9 over 2 is equals to log 2. Okay? Then from the laws of logarithm, now whenever you have log a over b is the same thing as log a minus log b. So we are going to apply it here. So here we have it as x. We have it as x into log 9 minus log 2 is equals to log 2. Then the next thing we do is to divide through by log 9 minus log 2. Divide by log 9 minus log 2. Okay? So that we also divide by log 9 minus log 2. So if we divide, this will now be out. We have that our x is equals to log 2 over log 9 minus log 2. And that's the value for what? X. And this will be our assignment. Put this in the calculator to tell us the decimal solution. Like and share for more contents like this. Bye.